Libra, Namaste. Welcome to your weekly reading for first week of October. Yes, I've started my weekly readings and I'm happy to bring this reading for you. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Libra for the month of October 2021. First week October. Libra, this is your season, your birth season. So, wish you a very happy birthday, all you beautiful Librans. And I hope you're safe and happy wherever you are. I would like to take a moment here to wish all of you a very happy birthday, and I want to thank all of you for your beautiful comments, your likes and your subscriptions. Every like and subscription of yours helps me, helps my channel, as the YouTube algorithm will bring it to the more people, and my mission in life is to reach out to as many people as possible to help heal them. So I request you, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Share my video on your social media. Alright. Also, I'll be very happy to do your personal reading. You'll find all my contact details in the description box below the video. Alright. So let's get to last tarot cards for your reading and then we'll jump right in. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Libra. Always watch your Sun, Moon, Rising sign videos to get a more clearer and overall energy idea. Okay, so let's jump right in, Libra. Here we go. Ooh, you've drawn the openings card, which is 22, works out to 4. Now this clearly tells me that you are looking at, or you're prioritizing, or you want stability and security in your life, in finances, in relationships, in friendships, in every aspect of your life. You're looking for stability and security. And guess what? You are having openings, so new doors are opening up for you. And the message in the card says a new door is opening for you. Are you kidding me? Thank you, Divine, for the confirmation. A new door is opening up for you, and this door is regarding the stability and security that you are wanting, that you're craving, and that you're working hard towards. What a way to begin your reading, Libra. Very encouraging. Oh, you've drawn Archangel Gabriel, which is 39, and that works out to 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 3. So you are now on a path of moving ahead on towards these doors which are opening, okay? Towards new opportunities, towards new friendships, new relationship, towards strengthening of your bonds, okay? And let's see what Archangel Gabriel, and Archangel Gabriel is all about your heart space, okay? Your heart chakra, opening up to love. That is definitely a message that I'm getting for a lot of you Librans who are looking for new love, for true love, and strengthening of your bond if you're already in a relationship or marriage. I see that happening. And let's see what Archangel Gabriel has to say. Call in the pure white light. So call in the divine to step in. Call in the source to step in and bless you. Through prayers, through meditations, through manifestations, you can ask for help, ask for what you are looking for, and doors will open up for you. Okay? That's very powerful, Libra. Wow, you've again drawn card number 4, 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron. This is number 40, which works out to 4. And as we were seeing in the first card, this is all about you wanting security, stability in your life. And you have drawn Archangel Metatron, which is to say, the message that I get here is that the divine, you've been manifesting, you've been praying, and been working on your relationships, on bettering your conditions, you're bettering your finances and every aspect of your life to get that stability and security that you're looking for. And you are being asked to continue with your manifestations, to continue with your prayers, because new doors are going to open up for you. Keep up the faith, keep the faith, keep the trust, and continue walking on the path. Are you kidding me, dear divine? Thank you. Thank you for this confirmation. Door to romance. I was getting that feeling when Archangel Gabriel came in. This is card number 33, which is a master number. You can Google up the number and you'll get a message there. So this is number 33, which works out to 6, which is about victory, which is about moving into a new phase, which is better, which is calmer, which is more easy flowing. Okay, the stability and security that you're looking for. And the card that you've drawn is door to romance. Can you see that big heart out here waiting for you? And it is in a cage right now. Okay, that may be your heart or somebody else's heart. And can you see there is a keyhole there, and the key is in your hands, or the key to your heart is in that divine counterpart's hands. Beautiful new romance coming. That is why the divine is asking you to open your heart, to be open to what the divine is blessing you. Don't be closed off saying all my relationships have hurt me, or this or that. That is negative, low vibrational energy. Get out of that. Say, I believe you, universe. I trust you, and I'm going to I receive your blessings with deep gratitude. The blessing that you're bringing me in the form of a new romance, I welcome it wholeheartedly. That is the energy, because the door to romance is opening up for you, Libra. Yay, congratulations. Now let's look at, this is the 6 of Pentacles energy. Now this message, I'm getting 2 messages here. The first message may not apply to all of you, so take it as it resonates. This is, for some of you, an ex coming back. Okay, somebody whom you had broken up with or lost contact with is coming back into your life, and the decision is totally yours whether to take them back or not, as you have free will. So you judge the situation as you deem fit. And for the others of you, this could be somebody who's from your childhood, okay? And maybe it begins as a friendship, and then it develops into a romance, okay? So those were the 2 messages, and the common message for everybody. This is about equal give and take. As I was getting here about the cage that you put your heart inside, it's about being hurt and taken advantage of in your past, in your relationships. And now the new romance that is going to come into your life is very different, because now there is going to be an equal give and take. Whatever you invest, the other person will invest the same amount of love, time, energy. If you prioritize them, they will prioritize you too. Okay, so it's a equal give and take. And this, for those who are in a relationship, who are in a marriage, now your bond will strengthen in terms of not taking each one for granted anymore, but appreciating what you have. So that brings you more closer, and that starts the flow of equal give and take. Love it. And of course, and this is 8 of Cups energy. As I was mentioning, for some of you, this may be an ex who's coming back, and I do see a lot of you walking away from them, okay? Because they may have hurt you earlier, and I don't see that they have changed a lot. If they have changed, and if you feel that they deserve a chance, it's up to you to give them a chance. But if you feel that they haven't really changed, walk away. Okay, so that is what divine is asking you to be aware of. And for your final card for the first week of October, it's new moon eclipse. New moon is all about new beginnings. So this new phase, expect powerful change. Can this sum up the reading? It's about your heart space. It is about you opening your heart, and the change that is going to happen in your heart space in your emotional space is that new energy is going to walk in. This could also be friends for some people. This could be, as we saw a card here, a new romance, a new marriage proposal for some. So this is about you stepping into your power, opening up your heart space, believing and trusting in the divine, having faith in the divine, and praying and manifesting a beautiful new relationship for you. I wish you all the very best, Libra. These things cannot get any better. Also, I leave you with my request. Please do like, subscribe to my channel, and share my video with on your social media and with your contacts. Help my channel grow. I'll see you soon. Namaste.